Imagine earning money while you sleep. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you it's possible with just one thing? AI? Yup, artificial intelligence. Today, we're diving into how AI can help you generate passive income, and I'll show you some cool ways it's already happening. Let's get into it. First things first. What exactly is passive income? Well, passive income is money you earn without actively working for it all the time. You set something up, like an investment or a business, and then you earn money without having to constantly be there. Think of it like a side hustle that works for you while you enjoy your free time. Now, passive income sounds great, right? But it's usually easier said than done. Most options require some work up front, like starting a business or making an investment. But here's where AI comes in, making it easier for anyone, even you, to earn money with less effort. AI isn't just about robots or self-driving cars. It's a tool that can help you make smart decisions and automate things you would normally spend time doing. And that's where it becomes your secret weapon for passive income. Let me show you some ways it works. First up, AI-powered trading. There are AI algorithms out there that can buy and sell stocks, cryptocurrency, and other assets for you based on data. You set it up, and it makes decisions on when to trade, how much to buy or sell, and how to make you the most profit. Some trading bots are so good they can make decisions in fractions of a second, much faster than any human could. Sounds pretty cool, right? AI can also help you earn passive income by managing your investments automatically. For example, there are robo-advisors, AI tools that manage your portfolio based on your goals. You just tell it how much risk you're willing to take, and it does the rest. The best part? It works 24/7 while you sleep. Okay, so trading is one way, but let's talk about something a bit more creative: content creation. Whether it's YouTube videos, blogs, or social media posts, creating content can be a big-time investment, but AI can help automate this process too. Take AI tools like copywriting software, video editors, or even AI voices for narration. These tools help you produce content faster and more efficiently, allowing you to build up your brand or business while still making money from ads, affiliate links, or sponsorships. For example, imagine you set up an automated YouTube channel where AI helps you generate scripts, create videos, and even do the voiceover. You upload your content, and as it gains views, you start making money through ads or affiliate links. And once the videos are posted, they can continue making money for you, even when you're not actively working on them. Here's the best part. AI isn't just for the small stuff. You can actually use it to scale up your passive income. Let's say you've started trading or creating content. With the right AI tools, you can multiply your efforts without spending more time or energy. For example, AI can help you optimize your content for search engines, find the best affiliate programs, or even predict what kinds of products will sell well in the future. AI can track all kinds of data, like what time people are most likely to watch your videos, or what type of content generates the most clicks, and then use that data to help you fine-tune your strategy and maximize your income. So, to sum it all up, AI is a game changer when it comes to passive income. From trading stocks to automating content creation, AI makes it easier than ever to earn money without having to put in hours of work every day or a tech genius. So, what do you think? Could AI be your next passive income partner? If you're ready to give it a try, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on tech, finance, and how you can make your money work smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.